For a long time, Suno has been the undisputed king of AI music. But I've been hearing whispers about a new platform called Tunee AI, which calls itself an interactive co-writer and producer. Today, we're going to do a deep dive review to see if it can truly rival Suno. Let's find out if the hype is real. So, here's the main interface. It's clean with a prompt box and some presets below. You can see options for uploading audio, images or video, and even a web search feature. Okay, but what makes Tunee so different? Its entire workflow is built around a conversational AI. Instead of just rolling a prompt, you can actually have a chat with it. To test this, I'm going to see how it can transform existing music. I'm going to upload an old instrumental I made via Suno. It's a playful, quirky, circus-like tune. I prompted it. Add words to this song that are about giving too much attention to your cat. Immediately, it analyzed the audio and talked back just like a chatbot, and here Tunee has presented an analysis. It understood the vibe perfectly. Then, like a real producer, it gave me 4 creative options for the lyrics. This is a completely different experience. Let's choose the first option here. And now it works just like an AI agent. It has established a prompt for the music and generated the lyrics for a full song. And here we are, finally with our song. We are given 2 options. Let's hear the first one.
My phone keeps buzzing, Sarah's calling again. But Mr. Whiskers has other plans. He knocked my coffee with a single swipe. Now my kitchen floor's a caffeinated stripe. I grab my keys, he blocks the door. One green eye winking, what's the rush for? His tail's conducting some invisible band, while I'm late for everything I planned.
Wow, that is mind-blowing. It completely reimagined the track but stayed true to the original vibe. The voice generated by Tunee is very realistic, perfectly matching the vibe of the song. Incredible. The effects on the voice, the reverb, the driving beat, that's easily on par with a top-tier Suno generation. So on pure audio quality, yes, it absolutely competes. Now let's test a straight text-to-music prompt. I asked for 80s retro synth pop, catchy tune with male vocals, and we have Tunee cooking. Just like before it suggested a couple ideas, I will go with the dreamy, nostalgic ballad vibe. Meanwhile, I'm going to give the same exact prompt to Suno V5 model and see what comes up with the same vibe given.
Streetlights hum in a velvet glow. Echoes of laughter, where did it go? A city alive, but I feel alone. Neon dreams, they pull me under. Flashing colors, a rolling thunder. Every heartbeat, chasing wonder. Neon dreams, they pull me under.
And now let's see what Tunee has produced.
Cruising through the empty streets tonight. Neon signs reflecting window panes. Radio plays our favorite song again. But you're not here to sing along. Polaroid pictures on the dashboard fade like promises we couldn't keep. The city sleeps, but I'm still wide awake, chasing ghosts of you and me. All these colors bleeding into gray, all these moments slipping away.
Wow. Okay, the production quality on that is outstanding. It has perfectly grabbed the dreamy nostalgic vibe that we asked, and delivers an emotion. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I think we do have a Suno rival in our hands. But the generation is just the beginning. The real power of Tunee is what happens after the song is made. Let me walk you through the biggest features in Tunee. First, let's look at how to edit an AI song. Let's say in our 80s track, I'm not happy with a specific lyric or I want to change the instrumentation. You can just click Edit Lyrics and Prompt, make your changes directly in the text and regenerate. I thought the lyrics were perfect, but for this example's sake, I will change the tempo from slow to fast and see what happens. We will first listen a bit to the original song we created.
Cruising through the empty streets tonight, neon signs reflecting window panes. Radio plays our favorite song again.
And now, let's see how the edit has changed our song.
Through the empty streets tonight, neon signs reflecting window panes.
Wow. The original melody and vocals are still there, but the overall tempo is faster. Being able to tweak one element like this without losing the core of your song is a huge advantage and feels much more like working with a real co-writer. Next, the stem splitter and AI vocal remover. For producers, this is a holy grail. On any track, you can click the 3 dots and select Get Stems. It then processes the song and lets you download a zip file with separate audio tracks for vocals, bass, drums, and other instruments. This means you can import these into your own software to remix them. It's also effectively a high-quality AI vocal remover if you just need an instrumental or an a cappella. Let's just check this downloaded zip file for a second. Wow, all are in high-quality wavy audio format.
Plays our favorite song again.
That sounds good and clean. However, I should mention that this is purely a download feature. Unlike Suno's instrumental mode, which lets you mute vocals on the fly, for any real remixing with these stems, you will need to import them into your own software. After that, we have AI Smart Mastering. This is a one-click tool to make your track sound more polished. Now, you click the magic wand, select Smart Mastering. I'm going to keep the reference as default for our example and let it process. And here we are. Tunee presents us with both original and mastered versions to compare. Let's listen to our original 80s track again. That's really a great song. Here's the same song after mastering.
reflecting window panes. Radio plays our favorite song again, but you're not here to sing along.
You can hear it's louder, crisper, and has more impact. It's a great final touch. So far, Tunee has been incredible as a true rival for Suno and Udio. Now let's talk about video. First, the AI Lyric Video Maker. If you need a video quickly for social media, this is a fast option. You click the magic wand, select Lyrics Video, choose the aspect ratio, and it generates a simple, clean video with the lyrics animated on screen. If you remember, Suno can do this as well, but this next feature is really what separates Tunee from just a music generator. And finally, the full AI music video feature. This is where it gets really powerful. From the magic wand, you can select Create Music Video, which takes us to the Tunee chat box. It estimates that it will consume 220 credits for this generation. We still have 386 credits left, so we should be good on that. Here you can choose your aspect ratio and a time range from your song and a visual style. Here I will choose 16:9 horizontal, a 20 seconds window for our video, and the retro symmetry visual style, cause I love Wes Anderson. Let's hit create now. Then, Tunee literally writes out a detailed shot-by-shot storyboard and generates keyframe images for it before creating the final video. Here's a piece of the video it made for our 80s synth song. The individual shots perfectly capture the Wes Anderson style, which is visually pleasing. While the final video lacks complex motion or transitions, the fact that it creates a full, coherent, storyboard-driven video from a single click is what's truly incredible here. Tunee can also work in reverse. I know what? Yes, Tunee can do video to music as well. Let's go back to the home section of Tunee. I'm going to upload a short video clip, and let's type, "What soundtrack would match this scene?" It analyzed the video and gave me 3 genre options. Yes, again, Tunee has identified the vibe perfectly. I chose Warm Acoustic Morning, and this is what it created. The ability to generate a mood from a visual is a massive creative tool. You can upload any image you have and have Tunee analyze it and generate mood as well. Okay, now let's talk about the practical stuff. First, Tunee offers a very generous free AI music generator plan. You get 300 free credits with signing up, 150 daily credits, which is more than enough to create about 50 songs and test all of these features thoroughly. Having explored all the features in my demonstration here, including the music video, I still have 125 credits left. And for creators who want to release their music, the paid plans include a full, royalty-free commercial license. This is a big deal, as it gives you permanent, lifelong use rights for any track you generate, so you can use it on YouTube, Spotify, or in any commercial project. So, after all these tests, is Tunee AI a true rival to Suno? Yes. 100%. But it's a different kind of tool for a different kind of creator. Suno is like an incredible, lightning-fast AI musician. It's the best in the world for speed and getting that immediate wow factor from a single prompt. Tunee AI is a patient, collaborative music producer. The process is a detailed conversation. It gives you far more control and a full suite of post-production tools. This is a seriously exciting development in AI music. The idea of having an AI partner you can truly collaborate with is finally here. I've dropped a link to Tunee in the description so you can try their free plan. I highly recommend you check it out. So my question for you is, which of these features, stems, mastering, or the conversational AI, is the biggest game changer for you? Let me know in the comments. If this review was helpful, please hit that subscribe button for AI Tunecraft. We're always on the lookout for the next big thing in AI music. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.